sa'kin ng ganito. Oh, ang pagmasdan ka sa malayo.
Hello, hello. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, hello, hello. Hello. Sip on a sub. Anyways, do you want as an unemployed person? Kod gyapon kita even though we are unemployed. I am unemployed. be something like this, but I don't want the login. Login is very unnecessary for me since I have separate backend for this one. So I just need the email for them like to subscribe, so they will get notified when the civil prep is done. So probably something like this, like get notified, something like that. But on the right side, I want it to be something like this. Then put it here. Then probably we're gonna put the or gonna add the milestone where it's gonna say like the progress. Okay, okay, okay. This is easy actually. So we just need an image. Just I can just see that. There's no lorem ipsum here in the right side. Let's go with right side. So since this is a line element of just set a center but not the start. Yeah, this is the start. Now we want them to have a padding of x. Let's just set that. It's, oh no, it's that 10. Oh, we don't want to use padding because we have. Oh, this is absolute. Okay, okay, yeah. So I need padding. So I need the padding to. So let's say that this is x. This is the py to 20. And that's 24. Then let's write 660. How about 20? Nice, okay. And let's make this class name font bold, then text 2x. Let's just say my bold. Okay. I don't know if the I think I need to add lorem. Wait. Lorem plug in lazy vim. Sorry. There's no lorem. Okay, let's try that. And let's just plugin Mason. Mason is for installing. Okay. Live server, yeah. Explorer. Inbuilt LSP. I think this is where I installed this. Yeah, yes. Telescope. In Vim telescope. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. There's no options, color scheme, nav lazy, okay, game maps, okay. So I'm gonna do an example here. So I think I'm gonna install that around here. Uh, wait, lazy lorem. So you want this one to be set on the place, but yeah, you have wait. Let's just see some other plugin. Telescope configuration require. Okay, I need to require. I don't know. Am I using Mason or just using lazy? So another, it's just using option, right? They have option, but here it's config. Right? And just wrong. So anyways, probably I'm gonna go with GitHub. Kaya kamu tayo? Dinig mo ba? Okay. Dinig. You have all committed here, so okay. It's good. Nice. So we have the right panel, we have here, so well, okay. We stock. So let's go with the CUI. We want the CUI. The components, let's see the stock. I know we have stock. Yeah, they have stock. I want the stock. I want this kind of stock. Stock size 18. 20. I rather do it. Cardboard. Is this a way for me to stock bottle, stock top? No, there's no way. Like I really wanted this to be like a circle. Breadcrumb, stock you. Laminate. Timimi, hello Timimi. So, it, then we want, or are we going to say that 1,000 people waiting or something like already have joined? Are we going to say something like days, something like oh no, let's use an avatar group. Probably we just say something like, or we can wrap this up. We can just go with. I don't know. I don't want to make this complicated. I just want to say that this is gonna be a long code if I do this. So I'm gonna say, should I say avatar stock. That is it. So we're gonna make reusable components. So in the avatar we need, probably we need, we don't need that one. Just need, do we need prop types? Probably not. Maybe. What we need here is the number of like number of total amount of users that subscribe or like waiting for the CivilPrep, something like that. So we'll just do that. Um, so, so what we're gonna do here is this one. So I just need a class name, so it's gonna be like flex. Since we have this, we want to at least justify the center. Justify center, item center. Then now it's the right time to also like it's gonna be the right time to add this. You can just add that one here. Use avatar stock. I'm gonna same, yeah. It's gonna be the same. But the difference with this is we can just notify like number, something like that. It's pointing to any. Oh, it's in is because we need prop types. React prop. Need prop types. Okay, let's install that one. npmi prop types, I think. Let's go back and let's import. prop types from prop types. Nice. Now we can add here the avatar stack that prop that prop type will be equal to something like numbers. So it's gonna be number that I know. Wait. Let's just say what do the build prop types it? Wait. Winder appeared in prop type string prop number prop. Okay. So it's gonna be something like number profile. I'm just gonna say number profile. So it's gonna be prop types that number. Is that all good? Profile. Yeah, of course. You're gonna be here. So it's gonna be number profiles. Then let's add a plus. And in the left here, we need the number. Oh, still not working. Okay. Wait. How to work with this? Of course, not working. It's because we need this one. We need to wrap that one. And in here, you can just wait for this the music. You can just wrap so number still like what's supposed to be the problem here? Should I say that or what something like number profile that prop types or no? Okay. Just plug the information. Name return hello. So name prop type strings and that's it. Yeah. But why? Like for example number profile. Creating the prop type. Oh, it's types. That's why it's a profile. Greeting the types. So it's gonna be like prop types that number. Number profile 20 1000. have here, we have already something here, but the problem with this one is we don't want the number to be like inside the circle, so we need to um, actually delete, and let's do it, delete this one, and we can just do something like this. Okay, we can just do something like this. Nice, we have here like this one, but we need to make this span as class name passport and takes mg. Nice. So if we put something like 1,000, that means we have 1,000 plus. We are on the right track. Nice. Then learners. Let's just say that oh wait, avatar stocks is gonna be plus learners are no, probably takers. Takers are now waiting. And we don't need this. Let's delete that one. And let's add another and let's add an key element. Let's add the tickers and class name takes green 500. Okay, are we on the probably the text should be LG also. Okay, next. Let's see. One, five. So yeah, we have. I don't want it. So in this profile, this is just like a default. I don't want like a lot of things going on in here. I just want this like number of users, something like that. So I'm gonna use a for loop here. I'll get all the number of user or like all the users or like the recent user that actually subscribe for the waiting list. But for now, this is just an example, so I'm gonna add more. So yes, okay. I'm gonna get copyright with the YouTube. Oh man, no. No, 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 no. I'm gonna get copyright. Wait. Let me chill. I forgot. There's a copyright. Alright, so there. Now what you want is you want a big. So let's go back to the left and below this one, let's add the h1. Let's add a class name of like x2xl and fancy my bold. Let's just say that below where just didn't have or something to say. It's okay. Then we want Google Fonts. Google Fonts. So, it's our index. That then. Then we need a P that is a little bit bigger size. There. I need probably gonna set up torrent next time. Cause I don't want to just like copy and pasting a lot of things. I hope this is nice. Last name XLG span. I don't know. It's gonna be text grade. Okay. Since we have the flex, we can also add a gap. Okay, that's good. Should we have a bigger gap? Let's just say 5. I think 5 would be enough. Yeah, that's good enough, I think. Then let's add the button. Let's not just a button, but rather it is. Wait, what's this? Yeah, it is a button. no, it's not a button, but rather, should I make this one? Should I make this on component? Can I just do something like input email component, input email component, should I .jsx, or should I? Should I or should I? Probably, let's see. Yeah, just make so just say that class without and the height should be 12. Now we want also this to be flex, then bg gray, but it's gonna be 200. Then let's make this rounded. Gonna be rounded. Now we want also the input type text. Then let's just say that a placeholder. Wait, a placeholder. Still email address. Then let's go with left split. Let's add the input email. Let's see. Okay, we have something here. And we can just use full. Instead of MJ, then how about L? How about XL? Nope, it's gonna be full. Yes. Let's add padding. PX should be 3. Nice. And in the class name here, just add width full and height full outline na. Nice. Okay. Of the email, we'll probably need more. Wait, should I use 5 instead? 5 is good enough. Then let's add a button. Let's say type. I don't know how to do that. It's gonna be class name PTN. Send the PTN. Get notified. So you can just also use like rounded full. Nice. And we are not in the center, so let's just deploy center. Items. Nice. But I don't like, it's because we have the PX, so just go with PL 05 and PR of 0. No, at this one. Okay. Component here. That's really good. let's add the BG block. And then it's gonna be the BG gray, but 900 and text one. Nice. And what we are missing, get notified. I like this black color. Or should I just use white? Wait. Now how about we use white? Okay, that's good. That's good enough, but let's add also the logo. So let's install the React icons. So npm I React icons. So let's install the React icons. Let's go to React icons. Let's add what we need. What we need here? What we need is the book, because we still doesn't have the logo of our startup, and yeah, just use this for now. And on the left side, let's add this one, and I'm probably gonna remove this H1. Okay, let's just test and replace it with the IO book outline. Share that. Now we have the book here, but now let's wrap that book inside a div. So it's gonna be div, it's gonna be a book, it's gonna be something like this, and an H1 of civil prep. Now we need this to be like class name flex. We need to be the size. We need to make the font or the text to be LG. Artist 2XL. And also make the book to be class name as text blue. So be 500. Okay, nice. And we need also to make this justify center item center, and let's add a gap of 5, and probably it's not big enough, so at least 3XL would do. So save, and yeah, we have that. It's way too much so I need 4. How about 4? Nice. Okay, we almost finished at the left side. We almost finished at the left side. So easy, right? Now let's finish the left side, then on the right side would be easy because we just need a floating here. It's gonna be floating image here. And I don't want actually this lagi. Don't want that. I don't need that. Why would I need that? And well, I want this to be like the list, probably like wait, what is that? KBD status, a list. I don't know. I don't like this kind of list. Attack. I don't need attack. Step. Yeah, a step. How to make this horizontal? Vertical step. I want this kind of step, but using this or this one. So let's add that one on the step on the left side. So below the input email, let's add the step. Then let's add also this steps vertical. Steps vertical. Nice, we have the step vertical here. I want the size. Or probably should I make my own? Right? Or should I use step? Or just use the like a list for the instead of step I should use like the feature, so it's gonna be highlighted, right? And I can just do this with normal. It's, yeah, I just need the features. Okay, first we need a div. Inside the div, let's class name, let's add a class name of like flex. Let's justify content start. It's always gonna be start item start. Then let's add a gap of 2 or 3 or 3. Then what we want also is gonna be the width auto. Now inside this is like a bunch of div also. So we have just like this one. So we want an icon, a title of that feature, then a description. Okay. But first we need the h1. H1 should be features. Inside this one is we're gonna make this class name. We're gonna text LG, and it's gonna be fun to see my bold. Inside this one, let's add class name flex. Cause yeah, wait. Okay, let's just imagine that how the design gonna be. So it's gonna be so like this. So it's gonna be two vertical, two horizontal, two horizontal. Yes, those. It's gonna be two div. It's gonna be two div. So the first one is gonna be with an icon. So I just wanna put the BG of blue 100 or at least 200. Then inside is an icon. Let's see time. So let's add the time icon. So we have the wait. So let's add the time icon here. And the time icon is IOMD time. So IOMD time. And also you want this to be rounded full, and we want this to be a class name takes blue 500. Then let's add a new div. Wait, should I just use I'll just use. No, 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 no. Wait, 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 wait. Let me take this through. Okay, 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 okay. Let me take this through. Okay. Just an each one. Uh, feature one and a P. Hello, this is the feature number one for this SAS. Let's try to say okay, features nice. We are so flex call nice. Okay, feature one, then oh, okay. So I still need to wrap that, right? So I still need to wrap this one. So I'm gonna still to wrap this three inside this. Okay, but with auto, and why is this? Okay, so it's gonna be class. It's gonna be flex. Justify start. Item start. Okay, good. Or should I say center in the item center? Center. Great. Item start and flex start. Ah, it's not good. Wait. Wait. Okay. Probably. Cause in here, I'm just trying to. I'm just trying to make this like a feature. Then we have the div here. Okay, okay, okay. have alternative for this. I've been live for 1 hour. Okay. I think I'm gonna push this one. I don't know. That's it for now, I think. It's good.